What is the length of line VW on the coordinate plane? Okay, so here is line VW. And from left to right, that line is soaring. It's going up, soaring into outer space. Okay, and it is a segment though, because it has a starting point and an end point. Okay, so they want us to find how long this line is. Okay, looking at it, it'd be really hard to count. We could estimate, but it would not be accurate. Okay, so let's use our Pythagorean theorem to make a right triangle out of this, and then we can count our A and B, our legs, and then we can solve for our hypotenuse C. So let's see here. I'm going to draw a line from here to here to make this a right triangle. Okay, and then I'm going to put my other one from here to here. So you can see that now we have a right angle. Okay, and we can count the distance from here to here, and then we can count the distance from here to here. Okay, let's label. We know that the two sides that make up the right angle are called the legs. So we have a leg A, and we have a leg B. Okay, let that one be B and that one be A. Over here, opposite from your right angle is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse C. And that one we don't know, so I'm going to put a question mark there. But we can count these and we'll know. We'll count the little blocks that are in there. So let's start with between here and here. How many little blocks are in there? So let's start right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of them. So I'll put 15 for leg A. Right, now let's count leg B from this point to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 for leg B. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem tells us that if we know the length of any two sides of a right triangle, we can find the length of the missing side. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so we know that A is 15, so we'll put 15 squared, plus B is 8, so we'll put 8 squared, equals C squared. Okay, we'll let our calculator do the math for us. So clear it, turn it on. 15 squared, 15 and your x squared key right next to the 7 key. Hit enter, and 15 times 15 is going to give us 225 plus 8 squared. 8, the x squared key, enter, 64. Because 8 times 8 will give us 64. Equals C squared. Okay, here again, we don't want to know C squared, we want to know C. Therefore, critical step, find the square root of 225 plus 64. That will tell us how long side C is, hypotenuse C. Okay, so let's add 225 plus 64, enter. Okay, the square root of 289 is going to be the length of side C. So let's find the square root of 289. Hit your green second key, hit your little square root symbol in green, enter 289, scroll out of that and hit enter, and we see that the length of side C is going to be 17 units. Okay, hope that was helpful. Y'all practice these a lot.